What's up YouTube, ReggieTECH here, and today we're going to be reviewing and installing the eSamcore full coverage screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So before we get into the installation, let's take a quick look around the box and then we'll see the contents that come in it and then we'll begin. So taking a look around the package that this screen protector comes in, as you can see it does say new. It is their new design of their screen protectors for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And you can see it says the company's name eSamcore and that it's a full coverage screen protector. Right here along the edge it does give you a little bit of details about the screen protector, that it is full coverage, that it has precise position for your screen, it uses no liquid spray, and it's bubble free. Down here at the bottom you do get a little emblem that says eSamcore Original and that it's a case-friendly screen protector. And then below that you see that it says that it has 3 guide stickers to make it an easy installation. Coming over to the back, you do get that tear-off line where you can open it up. It says eSamcore Original Phone Kits, and it gives you the features. In the features it says that it's military grade, that it features an abrasion and scratch resistance, it's soft to the touch, it enhances toughness on your screen, it has elasticity, and it has UV resistance, and has HD transparency. It's a full adhesive, full coverage screen protector that has edge-to-edge protection. It's an anti-shock screen protector. That means that the soft material absorbs drop impact and lightens the scratches while it keeps your phone fully covered. It's a case-friendly screen protector that fits most cases, and it has no issues with the lifting edges or lifting corners while the case is on. And it's smooth to the touch, that gives you high sensitivity experience. It also offers an easy installation, no liquid spray is required, and no waiting 24 hours for it to dry. The easy application with our new 3-step method is done in about 5 minutes. So then it gives you the application guide, steps 1 through 6. Basically, step 1 is just to make sure your hands are clean and wash them thoroughly. Then go ahead and rub the device with some rubbing alcohol that's included in this package. And you're going to want to use a microfiber or a soft cloth to remove as much lint as possible. The second step is to peel off the first layer and just precisely align it with the top of your screen while holding the edges and gently place it there. The third step is to adhere the top of the screen protector onto the phone, and that basically gives you the start point on number 4. And on number 4 all you have to do is peel off the second layer and you start to squeegee out the air bubbles while you lay it down onto the screen. Step 5, all you have to do is carefully press down the edges so that the edge of the screen protector will adhere to the edge of the phone. And then all you have to do is peel off the third layer and your screen protector is ready. So here I've laid out everything that comes inside of this package. You get a card that links you to their installation videos right here. You get some dust removal stickers. You get 2 alcohol prep pads. You get an eSamcore microfiber cloth, you get an extremely nice squeegee that has a ruler built into it, and most importantly you get 2 screen protectors. So in case you mess up on one, you can always go and do it on the next one. So to start this installation, you guys just got to get your hands really clean. Go ahead and wash them very nicely. Next up, we're going to take that alcohol prep pad and wipe down the screen extremely well. We want to get out any smudges or any bits of dust that are stuck onto the screen. And once you've given the screen a thorough cleaning, you're just going to want to take that microfiber cloth and give it a nice wipe down and polish. And once you feel like your screen is perfectly polished and looks superb and there's no smudges whatsoever, go ahead and take one of those dust removal stickers if you see any stuck on lint or dust pieces there. And after you've done that, what you're going to want to do is take your screen protector and peel off layer 1. And layer 1 is basically the top portion of this screen protector. So once you peel off layer 1, what I like to do is I like to just firmly hold the phone like this and line everything up just like this. So what we want to line up perfectly is all of the sensors as well as the earpiece and the camera. And once you feel like you've gotten everything lined up properly, just go ahead and take that squeegee and squeegee down the top portion just so that it holds in place. The next step that I like to do is, just because dust can always fall between the screen while you're putting it on, just go ahead and give your screen a nice little wipe down once again. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and peel off the second layer of the screen protector, just like this. And remember, while you're pulling off the second layer, which is the bottom portion, just get your squeegee and squeegee out any air bubbles that you see that are forming. And once you've gotten the whole screen protector on the screen, you can go ahead and just push out any extra air bubbles that you see there. And once you've gotten out the air bubbles to your liking, just go ahead and press down on the edges to adhere the screen protector to the edge of your screen. And now that we've got most of the air bubbles out, we're just going to go ahead and remove the third layer of film from this screen protector. And now if you see any little air bubbles or anything, just go ahead and take your microfiber cloth and your squeegee and just go ahead and squeegee them out this way. And then we're going to go ahead and press down the edges one more time just to make them fully adhere to the edge screen panel. And installing the screen protector was as easy as that. I really do like that 3 guide sticker method that they did use with the screen protector, but I'll get more into that on my final thoughts of the screen protector at the end of this review. So let's go ahead and take a look how the screen protector performs and looks while the screen is on. Alright, and now that the screen is on, let me go ahead and put up the brightness just a little bit. And as you guys can see, this screen's color looks exactly as it looked without this screen protector on it. I've got to say that that HD clarity that they do claim that this screen protector does have is very true. And I really do like the feel that it has on the screen. It feels like I'm just touching the bare glass of the screen itself. Now, with the sensitivity of this screen protector, it feels extremely nice. There's no lag whatsoever, and all the touch and everything is recognized just as you touch the screen. So let's go ahead and put a case on this, and we'll see how it fits. And I've gone ahead and dropped the Note 8 into a case, and this is my daily speaking case that I use every day with the phone. And as you guys can see, there is plenty of clearance between the edge of the screen protector and the border of the case. So this means that the screen protector is truly case friendly. Now, I can't give you an exact answer for every single case out there. That's just because this is the only one I have on hand right now to test out this screen protector with. But I'm sure with thin border cases, as well as maybe a little bit thicker border cases as well, it won't have any issues. So you guys, all in all, this screen protector really does check out many of the boxes that I look for when having a screen protector. It fits well on the screen, it covers up a lot of the sensors up here at the top. It really does create an extra layer of protection for them by outlining each of the sensors up here. I do like that this screen protector is case friendly, so I can use it with a case. And looking at the screen quality and with the touch functionality while using the screen protector, everything checks out really well. The screen quality is perfect, and the touch sensitivity works just like if you didn't have a screen protector on this phone. So I hope you guys like this installation and review of the eSamcore full coverage protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you guys have any questions or comments about the screen protector, go ahead and drop them in the comments section below. I'll be linking links to this screen protector in the description box. And if you guys found this video useful and you like what you saw, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.